You have a lot of things to do. I'm heading out right now. I don't want to come back and see you on the computer, okay? Remember what I said to you, you know. Remember what I said to you.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen.
Yes. What you want? I'm not in a mix-up thing, you know. You know what? Just try carry my sing street coming up. I am so upset. Give me my gear. How long na day na this?
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
Where you want? Where there for? Where you want?
I need to talk to you about something.
I can't. Can't you see I'm babysitting?
You remember Ashley?
No.
You remember the girl, man? Ashley, you fella come from Manchester?
Oh yeah, that girl there.
Man, the girl catch up on Twitter one.
Yeah, what you not say?
How we wake up this morning? Guess what I see? No more voice message from the girl. That's what she say. Me no play it for you.
You have one new message. Main menu. To listen to your messages, press 1.
Alia, you know what this mean? I need to go looking at the because obviously I don't know. By the way, I call my name because my name is especially it seems like you don't have Colgate. I don't know why I put up my name on Twitter and I comment from some by your kind of life, Alia. Please stop calling my name because I don't want me.
Why should I send all of that voice note there? Jesus pilot D.
I'm actually find all of this for me.
Why should I do all of that? Lord of mercy. I'm going to swear tweet say.
Sing to her. But I never see me that tweet, but I just tweet my tweet something.
You sure send Ashley a tweet about?
I know she me that tweet, but I have a time for the idiot girl. You know, say enough people retweet it, even she retweet it. Then I made another tweet.
Ah boy. Can't bother with you now? You're drama.
Then this girl sits up on her head, but me a talk about her.
But I never know what Ashley did today.
She's very mature and insecure.
Oh God.
Mature, I can't never confront her, go confront her. She not get away with this.
I really think if I address her, but just please, don't make it go too far.
I can't promise that enough, because any other girl step in the war, I go back to her, I don't talk.
When I head too hot, I need new friends, because we're on too vile.
Time full of fakes, I'm not afraid to be me. It is gonna hit, but I just love. Standing out is better than fitting in.
Never take my kindness for weakness. I may not be smart, but I'm pretty.
Happiness means never having to apologize for being me.
So you don't want to go for a walk?
You know, see, I want 2 bucks, you wake me up out of my sleep.
Why are you sleeping 2:30 in the afternoon? Anyway, I a mix up for tell you.
Give me the mix up.
You reach far, see?
Give me the mix up, now just give me the mix up.
It's about the crosses friend.
Who is that now?
Now the one tough girl, Alia, she come and ends up herself with me. You saw she maga, I can get her a piece of beating, you see?
What the tone I have now?
Now this girl I tried done me up on Twitter.
Twitter? Seriously? I don't use that. I use Instagram, strictly pics, no words.
It's a Twitter for retarded persons.
Exactly. Wait, don't do it.
But don't know this girl from Adams and she come size up herself for me. She better don't set me off, you know, she better don't set me off.
Alright, you need to keep calm.
My spirit just don't take the girl.
I know that Ali can be annoying, disgusting, extra.
And the point?
What was my point again? Yes. Look, she's a good girl and she's always been a good friend to me.
The point?
Just read with her.
You?
Bye.
Jamaican girl, we better than a next girl.
Oh, the little idiot girl there. She don't know that some man not like wait for people, you know. How may I help you, little boy?
Give me $20.
I don't have any $20.
You have $20 now, give me.
Where are your parents? You don't live anywhere? Get excuse from right here. Go home to your mommy. Go home to your mother.
No, mother.
Okay. Excuse that.
You not get the text from Ashley about our girls or something?
No, we are talk about.
Guess who she invite to? Oh, the one Maya.
What? I wonder why she invite her.
I don't know no more if I choose to turn Christian.
What? She really done Christian?
It's like in her ear.
The only water in my boner. Oh, that's opinion, man.
What's she doing here?
Excuse me.
Shut up. This is a one-on-one, not a one-on-two. Oh, yes or no?
Jamaican girl, we better than a next girl.
You sure this all can share for everybody?
Better share.
I'm gonna go for this one.
So tell me, who are come? Cause some of them girls there.
Alia, Charnel, Maya, Shadi.
Hold on there. Me not here. We say a while ago. I can't deal with some of them girls. No.
Well, get used to it.
Jamaican girl, we better than.
Hello?
You go Shantae girls there something?
Yup, you?
Not sure. Suppose the girl even invite me.
I think you should go. Just have fun.
Really? Enough for the girl in the like me?
Just come, man. I think it's gonna be fun.
Hey, alone can go and eat and drink and stuff. My God, it's sure.
Why them two girls there?
Because Shantae invited them.
Why would she do that?
I guess she wants to bring all the girls together.
That's just stupid. If I didn't know how to come now.
Wait, what is Ashley doing?
Go easy and try, have a good time.
Guys, can we play a game? I'm bored.
What kind of game you want to play?
I go play Mama Lashley.
Truth idea? Okay! Maya, you first.
Okay then.
Truth idea?
True.
I choose to have a boyfriend.
Yes.
Wait. When name?
Javon Steven.
You're too lie.
What is that to lie about?
But you're ugly differently.
Ale, look for you. You can't call me ugly.
Your face is like Michael Jackson a thriller.
Over the King boot.
Okay.
Don't hate me because they break
Your breath. Look what you have to do. You have to wear false.
You're related to Portia with this.
Jamaican gal, we better than a next gal.
So, are you having a good time?
Yeah, no, but I honestly can't stand Ashley and Maya.
But I never know say eat Maya. I wish you do. Well, she's ugly and she needs to be stopped by a fashion police. Oh my god.
You can't eat a person because he or she is ugly.
Well, that's my reason.
I think you should talk to her now.
Whatever. I have something funny to tell you. What? About Maya boyfriend.
What about him?
He's non-existent.
What you chat say?
She a lie. The boy what she talk about, him not real.
What you know?
So the boy what she say, our boyfriend, I'm a brother. Look on the text him what him saying. Him say I want to eat that girl what live beside him. That a Maya him a talk.
Oh god, I'm such a desperate.
She desperate.
She's thirsty.
Up to now, I can't believe it.
Give her some water.
You guys, can you come on the veranda, please?
Why?
Let's just go.
You guys, can you please come on the veranda, please?
Go up on the rooftop, Shade.
Alright, come on, we'll just go on the rooftop.
Down.
I've had so much fun with you girls today. And I'm glad we all put aside our differences to come together and just have fun. Right now, I want to squash any tension we may have with each other. So, does anyone want to start? Anybody? No? Then I'll start. I like to say I'm cool with everyone, but I have a problem with Ashley.
Oh, okay then.
My problem with you is I think that you are too aggressive.
Me aggressive? Shante, me aggressive?
And you love to cut people off.
My problem with you is that you're too enough.
Me enough?
Yeah? When things are concerned, you find yourself in the middle light.
When have I done that?
When me and Ali did have beef, you come up in my face like you want beat me for ya.
I was just talking to you though. I wasn't trying to get you upset or anything. I was just trying to fix the problem.
Well, you didn't.
I'm sorry if I upset you and I didn't mean to attack you.
And I'm sorry for something.
Let's hug it out.
That's not necessary.
So, that's done. Anybody else? What about you, Shanti?
Me? I'm good with everybody.
Even Maya?
Yeah, man, we're good.
How did that happen? Hell has frozen over.
I think this is the same enoughness as she was talking about.
Okay then.
I have a problem with Maya.
My name is Maya. Pronounce it correctly, please.
Okay, that was irrelevant.
What's the problem?
She's too fake.
How am I fake?
You love pretend to be somebody that you're not, and it's aggravating me.
I don't pretend.
Maya, everything boy you're fake. You need to stop with lying and just be yourself.
What lies?
Like your boyfriend.
We are just saying.
Casper, the friendly boyfriend.
You don't know nothing about my personal life, so just shut up.
Javon, I'm a link, you know, him text me and tell me so in a relationship. And as a matter of fact, him say you're the idiot girl who live next door.
You're jealousy? Whoa.
Jealous of you? Oh please, you're one of your money, your man now own you. That's sad.
He just jealous because he wants him and he never wants you.
How are you? Shut up, come on, I'm gonna text them as evidence.
I know you alone have text.
Drop your text them, drop all of them.
This is where I make my leave. Enjoy my stay.
No, Maya. Maya, come on.
Wait! No fighting in our house! Jamaican girl, we better than a next girl.
Lady no mercy. Yeman Rasta. Este es el código Kirkao, alongside the file of again. A que tú no te quitas, 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 a que tú no te quitas.
So what, me now?
No, look at butterface.
We see a while ago, eh?
A que tú no te quitas, a que tú no te quitas, a que tú no te quitas el pantalón. Let's go. Que tienes aquí, ella es una